Hello, a very happy Diwali to all of you. I hope in this festive season you are enjoying and having a good time. But to all my research scholars, I've always mentioned the fact that you have to link the topic of your research with the current day society, with the current day problems. And have you ever thought that you can link your research topic with Diwali festival, with Diwali celebrations? And what message can you give to the society related to Diwali, linking it to your research? So there are so many things, this festival of light is actually bringing joy and raising the spirits of human beings. So when your spirit is uplifted, when you see happiness, festivity around, your mood is good, you tend to focus on things which are positive in your life, and you tend to move faster towards your goals, towards your desired aims. So this theme of moving faster towards growth, towards development, towards your dreams, due to the environment, due to the festive season, the happiness, the hope that it is bringing along with itself, can do wonders in anybody's life. And the most important fact, linking it to our research, to our English literature, is there are so many books which are written on these topics, that how the festival of lights, how the season of Diwali is uplifting the spirit and bringing about a change in the environment, in the spirit, in the thinking process of human beings. So let's explore which of these novels are there which are focusing on Diwali theme, and we can link it to the upliftment of spirit, to the upliftment of spirituality in human beings, and bring about a change in the environment as well as in society. So I'm going to tell you certain books which are based on these themes. So let's explore. So the first novel that is there, which is based on the same theme, is The Diwali Gift, and this is written by Shweta Chopra and Shuchi Mehta. This is a novel focusing on the festival Diwali and the festivities around it. Then we have The Lights for Geeta. This is written by Rachna Gilmore. This is also focusing on Diwali festival. Then we have Ganesha's Sweet Tooth. This is also an important short story which is focusing on anecdotes related to Diwali. Then we have Prince of Fire. This is also a story of Diwali. It is retold by Jatinder Verma. This is also focusing on the festivities related to Diwali. Then there is Lots of Lights, which is written by Kavita Sahai. Now all these novels are focusing on Diwali and its stories. So what I wanted to tell you related to this, let's just listen. So all these novels are basically telling us the stories of Diwali. Now you can base your research topic on this theme of how the environment of festivity, this festival of lights, this celebration, hope, optimism could uplift the spirits of human beings, change the environment of a human being in which such that the human being is filled with positivity, optimism, and the spiritual level is high, and the human beings can achieve their goals, they can fulfill their dreams and scale high mountains. So it can bring about, the atmosphere of festivity can bring about inner change in a human being. He may be dull, he may be feeling low due to numerous problems that people are facing, but this festivity brings about that change, that transition in the mindset, and it can change the environment as well as the life of any human being. So basing this theme, we can link it to these novels and then explore our research topic. So all the best to all my scholars. Have a enjoyable festive time and raise your spirits as well related to research. Thank you for watching.